What is up, guys? Mikey Messini here with Mikey Daily Carry, and today I'm at the Bass Pro Shops in Las Vegas. I'm going to be doing an EDC video of what $200 can buy.
$200?
just play. So I'm here at Bass Pro Shops, and I got a screaming baby in the back. And I got $50 to spend. $50 to get an EDC startup kit. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I come across. Come on in, second floor. Okie dokie. So when it comes to EDC, there's 4 items that I feel are essential to getting started. Number 1 is a pocket knife. Number 2 is a multi-tool. Number 3 is a flashlight. And number 4 is a solid pen. So let's go ahead and check that out and look for it. That I'm eyeing right now is the Pilar large with G10 by Crkt. 35 bucks. It's gonna be that guy right there. And then I'll start making my way down to finding a multi-tool, a flashlight, and maybe a pen, depending on the budget. So $7.99 for Cabelas multi-tool. Comes with 8 tools in one. Scissors, saw, bottle opener, Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, a knife, wire stripper, pliers. So there isn't quite much of a flashlight selection here, but I still want to stay within budget. So this is $3.99 for a little keychain light. About 15 lumens. It's a Cabela brand. So with the Crkt Pilar, the Cabela multi-tool, and the Cabela flashlight, that set me back $47 before tax. So technically I have $3 left. Let's try to find a pen. So they do have Right in the Rain all-weather pocket pens, but these are $15.99. My budget was $3, obviously way over that. So yeah, I'm just gonna stick with what I have. All right, so this is the final verdict. I ended up getting this $3.99 flashlight, this $8 multi-tool, and the Crkt Pilar. $47. Fortunately, I wasn't able to get a pen because the only pen they had in there was the Right in the Rain pens, which were 15 bucks, way above the budget. But essentially, after taxes, I did hit $50. And now I'm gonna show you guys what these are. Okay, so taking a look at everything here, I got my Cabelas flashlight. This is the 15 lumens light. Not much illumination, but enough to really get your way around things. And I actually have this attached to my keys. It's a nice little keychain flashlight that you have here. Pretty nice there. And then I have this multi-tool, which I got for $7.99. This is the Cabelas multi-tool. Comes in its own little sheath. It's a little cheapy sheath, nothing too fancy about that. But this itself has various tools. So it has a knife that is pretty stiff. And then, let's see, is this a cutter? Let's check. Nope, definitely needs some sharpening. And how does it go back? Let's see. Okay, so everything just comes back like so. This right here is a Phillips screwdriver. Take a look at that. And then we also have ourselves a flathead screwdriver, which is also maybe a pry bar. And then on this side, you have a wood saw, followed by a bottle opener. And then you get yourself a pair of scissors. So, nice handle on the multi-tool there. However you want to use the scissors on that Cabelas multi-tool. And then you open this up and you have yourself some pliers. So it's spring action loaded right there, if you can see. And it's not bad. I mean, $8 gets you various amounts of tools. And then lastly, I have the Crkt Pilar. So Pilar, I don't know, you let me know. But this is a super sweet knife. If you take a look at this, we got G10 scales. The blade itself, I think, is 8CR16 MOV steel, if I'm not mistaken here. It's only right hand pocket clip configured, so you can do tip down or tip up. It's a frame lock knife, and it's definitely a cutter. I mean, let's compare it to the multi-tool. So yeah, and that's a pretty thick piece of cardboard that I just cut through. But altogether, $47 before tax is what I paid for these three here. Got yourself a knife, got yourself a multi-tool, and then you got yourself a handy dandy flashlight. So I'll be doing more videos like this where I have maybe a $50 budget, and maybe I'll up it to $75 or $100 budget, which I'll go and visit stores. So that way I can show you guys that EDC is very possible on a budget without you having to blow through your money, your savings, or anything like that. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and enjoy. And if you do subscribe, make sure you turn on that notification bell so that we stay up to date with all my new content. Peace.